Welcome to another how-to video. In this video, let me show you how you can delete or remove saved passwords on Mozilla Firefox. As you can see, we're in the Mozilla Firefox app, so all you have to do is click the three bars on the upper right of your screen. After clicking three bars, click Settings. While we are in the Settings tab, click Privacy and Security. While you are in the Privacy and Security tab, scroll down until you find the Password section. While you are in the password section, click Save Passwords. As you can see, I have one saved password, which is Facebook. So all you have to do is click Remove. Click Remove again if they ask for permission. Well, that's basically it. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.